Everyone, welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn revolve cut command. Here we have one extruded part and we will apply revolve cut on this part. In the previous video, we have learned how to use revolve boss or revolve base command. To use revolve boss or revolve cut command, 2 points are important. First one is we need to create a sketch that needs to be revolve or revolve cut. And second most important is we need axis of revolution. So axis of revolution is must in the sketch to use this revolve boss and revolve cut command. So let's get started with revolve cut. Just click on revolve cut, select a plane to create a sketch, make it normal, line. Now we will make one random sketch here. So sketch should be closed. Now this is one sketch. Second point is we need axis of revolution. With the axis to revolve this sketch, close sketch. Here we can mention the degree. All the points are as same as revolve boss. So you have to watch the video of revolve boss so that you can understand this direction to in feature and all other options, sub options. Here we have lot of options that we discussed in revolve boss command. So click OK. So this is the revolve. With this revolve, we have removed material from the outer surface. Now we will use one more revolve to remove the material from the inside. So click on revolve cut, select plane to create a sketch, make it normal, or any random sketch now. One more line, define axis for revolution, sketch and click OK. So this is the revolve cut from the inside of the part. To edit the sketch of this revolve, just expand this, go to this edit sketch and you can dimension this sketch. Dimension 30 and close. Now it will be updated, the newer one. This is the revolve cut command. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.